Purpose and content overview of this channel and video. This declaration confirms the content and fundamental principles of our GGA Audio YouTube channel, which conforms to all the principles of EDSA educational content and is primarily aimed at providing valuable information about the technical characteristics of various products. The channel uses music samples as a visual aid to demonstrate these characteristics in their intended context. Music samples are incorporated to enhance the viewer's understanding of the products being demonstrated. The use of repetition allows for effective comparison and evaluation of product features, thus providing clarity and depth to the technical insights shared. In other words, to compare the sound quality of two pairs of headphones, we would use the same audio track. If we wanted to compare a specific pair of headphones with 20 other pairs, we would need to play the audio track 20 times. This would allow the listener to understand how the sound of the headphones being compared differs from that of the others, and thus choose the most appropriate pair. What the user will see when starting any video, two pairs of headphones will alternate on the video, and the sound track of each of these headphones will be recorded. That is, the sound recorded in the video being played is recorded from headphones through specialized devices, and the video shows exactly the headphones from which the sound is being played. For more information on the Declaration of GGA Audio channel content, follow the link in the description of this video.
Planet Earth is the third outermost planet of 9 planets orbiting a single star.
A long time ago in a faraway galaxy, alien dolphins ran out of the weed. They built a ship with a cannabis radar. Before they left, they pulled troops with Darth Vader, who told them of a planet where the date shit grows. And hydroponic is a science that everyone knows. So they set out on a mission to a planet called Earth, on a never-ending quest to get there. Earth. On a never-ending quest to get high. They're on a never-ending quest to get high. It's a weed war and somebody's gonna die. Wave slides on my stereo. Shortwave ride my rodeo. The beat came from Addis Ababa. Wish I would've known, cause I didn't kiss my mama goodbye. I didn't tell her that I loved her, how much I cared. I thank my pops for all the talks and all the wisdom he shared. Unaware, I just did what I always do. Every day the same routine before I skate off to school. But who knew that this day wasn't like the rest? Instead of taking the test, I took 2 to the chest. Call me blind, but I
tried